I take you along to Shakespeare's birthplace today. And I got the mini-me with us.
Hi guys.
Gotta turn back.
So you've literally got to walk past this house.
Gotta get a rat.
Okay, so we're gonna end it here. Unfortunately, the heavens have opened and it's raining, so we've decided let's call it a day. Yeah, you weren't supposed to record in there, so I did my best to get what I could for you guys so you can see it, instead of flying halfway around the world to come and see it. But if you've got the cash and you can, then do it, definitely, because yeah, it's a good experience. You get to see where William was actually born, and the house is pretty much original. So yeah, thanks for sticking with me again. Mad Mike out.